a garage door mic. Once again, el broken cable. That's kind of damaged. That's not sealing anymore. Anywho, kind of hard to focus in here, but two old wood doors. These older wood doors really need a lot of attention. Constantly, because they're wood, especially these. So I could show you something already I saw on this one while I'm making the video. These get loose constantly. Every one of those is loose. So you got a wood door, just make sure. Someone pulling that one out. So you're tightening these up on the ends. I'll show you. You can watch this other one. I'm going to open this one, close the other one. You're going to watch the hinge actually move. It's just the nature of wood doors in the Midwest. It's hot, then it's cold, then it's hot, then it's cold, then it's muggy and kind of humid, and the wood contracts and expands all the time. So here, watch. Right there, you just seen it move. And you can see all the kind of the black around the hinge there. That's a tall tale sign that the hinge is moving. So let's see if we can, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So this one here, I'm probably gonna throw a third one in because it's been moving. These are all loose. You can see this one's a little bit moving. You can see the dark spot on the back end of it. This is a good video for homeowners to see. And you can see, this is a new customer of ours. Someone has already changed this hinge. You can see what they did here. They have one of these hinges in with the holes on the ends, so they get a lot of extra screws in there to hold it, and that's a good idea because, and you can see I totally soaked this thing in oil. These other companies that are out there, man, they just don't, it's very, I could count on 3 fingers how many companies actually use an oil can. What does that tell you? So I'll go in here, my box of tricks, we'll grab a tapper for that one hinge. Now if you don't have a drill, you could use or an impact gun, you could use a regular drill. Will work, okay. Where was it, over here? Over here. I think it was this one. One of these, I can't remember now. I think it was this one. Alright, that ain't going nowhere. You could use a regular drill and then put a bit on it. So you could use like a regular drill like this and just put a 7/16 bit on it, or 3/8 or whatever is going to self tap the self-tapping screw into that hinge. 3/8 work a little nicer because they're skinnier, obviously. 7/16 ones work well, of course, because, oops, sorry, they just do. But yeah, so homeowners, service calls, loose hinges on the end, especially on wood doors. More so on wood doors than metal doors, but metal doors do get it too, especially if the doors get a lot of use. The reason why is because when the door's in the open position, look what's holding this door up are these wheels. So you can see here, all the weight is out on the ends, and especially these type of doors, because these are not just regular wood doors, you can see they're siding doors as well. So there's extra weight on there. Have someone come out once a year. If you're uncomfortable doing it, we'll discount you on the service, because that's what we do. We don't charge a full service call. We'll discount you on the service for yearly tune-ups, and we've been doing that for a long time. But extra screws in the hinges on the ends will be a great help. Check the door by hand, obviously once a year. Pull the rip cord, the red cord. Here, open the door by hand, make sure it opens and closes. Relatively easy, and always check your opener. Throw a 2x4 underneath it and make sure it reverses, and if it doesn't, call us for service or advice on how to get that to properly reverse. That's it for this one. Innovative door for your loose hinge, broken cable needs. 630-271-9343. Visit us online at innovativegaragedoor.com. Come visit us at the showroom, 650 Ogden in Downers Grove. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.